This video was sponsored by Ring. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 renter-friendly peel and stick and removable products that you can use to transform your rental space. These products are really going to allow you to customize your closets, your walls, your doors, your windows, and even lighting around your home. If you've been looking for ways to customize your rental space and really make it feel like home, this video is just for you. So if you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, I've used plenty of peel and stick products over the past few years to help upgrade small areas around my home, whether I lived in a rental or not. I've used peel and stick floor tiles, peel and stick backsplash, peel and stick wallpaper, even some nice window film to create some privacy in my home. The next big improvement I made was installing the Ring Alarm Pro. So thank you so much to Ring for sponsoring today's video. Ring Alarm Pro is the new standard in home security by Ring. They actually have a built-in Eero Wi-Fi 6 router that protects your entire home and your network. So if your city's internet goes out, your home, your devices, and your network will stay up using the Ring Alarm Pro. I've had Ring doorbells set up for years now, but having the Ring Alarm Pro is taking my safety and security to the next level. We have quite a few doors and windows around the house, so I opted for the Ring Alarm Pro 14-piece system. This comes with one Alarm Pro base station. This is the central hub with secure Wi-Fi. It also comes with 2 keypads that you can create your own code and arm and disarm your home from there. To make sure that all the devices connect properly, there's one range extender that you can plug into the middle of your home. This also comes with 8 contact sensors. So I'm putting these on to pretty much every door and window around the house. The base station will chime and you'll get a notification on your phone every time these sensors open. This also comes with 2 motion detectors, so you can put one upstairs, one downstairs, so your entire home is covered with the Ring Alarm Pro. Thankfully, this system is easy to install and easy to use. There's no hard wiring, everything is renter friendly. All of the little sensors actually have peel and stick backing, so you can easily attach all the accessories to your home in a renter friendly way. I love that this gives you the flexibility to take your entire home security system with you when you move. So implementing the Ring Alarm Pro is the ultimate way to really upgrade your entire home as a whole and your network. It's gonna keep your home safe and secure, and it's exactly what you need to make your rental space feel like home. Now, when it comes to the walls of your rental, you may not be as limited as you think. There are so many things that you can do to really transform your space drastically, and the one thing that I think would make the biggest impact is picture frame molding. This is actually pre-assembled, pre-made picture frame molding that's super lightweight and you can stick it right onto your wall. As long as you have a little adhesive strip that you can gently remove after, you can get picture frame molding up on your wall. Now, these are actually very versatile. You can use these on your flat walls. You can also add some detail onto your flat doors, or if you have completely flat cabinets, you can add some dimension and some style, make them look a little bit more traditional by sticking on this molding. These are absolutely a time saver and I had to share them with you guys. If you saw my powder room makeover video, I transformed an entire bathroom using picture frame molding, but I did it all by hand. I cut all the corners, I nailed it, I glued it, I caulked all the edges, and it was a lot of work. So if you're trying to save time and get that look in your rental, definitely just pick out the right sizes of pre-made molding and you can get that look immediately. This molding kit has beautiful curves on the front, so you get these gorgeous shadows, and that really adds a ton of detail to your home. And it has completely flat back, so you can stick on that adhesive, stick it onto your wall, and it will sit flat and last. And the best part is you can take the molding with you if you move. You can take them right off the wall and then remove the adhesive safely, and that way you have picture frame molding intact for your next place. So this is such a cool product for renters that really want to create that luxurious, detailed look in their home through picture frame molding. You don't have to have tools, you don't have to have DIY skills, and you don't really have to have the time. This can be done in seconds and completely transform a space. So you can absolutely achieve that beautiful, luxurious custom look in your rental with pre-made picture frame molding. Now, picture frame molding is one style. It's definitely very traditional. It looks super high-end and luxe, but if you're going for more of that cottagey, cozy look, you might love some beadboard. And again, beadboard is not renter friendly to install, but you can get a similar look by using beadboard peel and stick wallpaper. This is printed to have those exact shadows that beadboard has. It's the right scale, and this actually comes in different colors. So this is the beige taupe finish, and I also got samples of the gray and the navy. So if you wanted that painted beadboard look, you can get a similar look using this peel and stick option. Again, this is super versatile. You can totally transform a space by kind of tricking the eye into thinking that there's beadboard there. I love that you can go all the way up the wall with this. You can go halfway. You can really create whatever look you want just using peel and stick wallpaper. If you're not familiar with peel and stick wallpaper, it's literally an adhesive that sticks on flat walls and can be peeled off without any damage. So it's a really great renter-friendly option. This is something that can be installed to walls, to doors, to inside your closet. Maybe you want to put it on the back of your bookcase. You can add a ton of detail with just some peel and stick wallpaper. Usually when you think of a rental, you're thinking flat, boring, not a lot of detail. If you're somebody that's trying to add that character and detail back into your home, this peel and stick beadboard and the molding kit would be perfect for your space. Let me know down below in the comments if you would use any of these wall details in your rental space. Now, if you're trying to stay away from paint in your rental, but you really love those beautiful painted arches, you can actually get that same look by using a peel and stick arch decal. I got this really beautiful light beige, and it's actually a fabric vinyl, so it has some thickness to it. It feels super durable. There's no measuring and no little paint brushes, no tape involved. You can just stick this onto your wall and get that beautiful arch look instantly. It even came with a little squeegee with a soft end and a hard end, so you don't damage your decal. This is really gonna help get all of those air bubbles out and make sure that it lays completely flat. These decals come in many different colors, so you can pick something a little bit more vibrant, something that matches your interior. I went for this really light beige. I wanted to make a subtle impact and just create a little moment around this desk. These arch decals are the perfect way to kind of highlight something in your space. Maybe that's a coffee bar, a piece of art, a mirror, a desk, maybe a shelf. It's just a way of adding some dimension, some color, and just a little bit of a trendy detail to your space. Right now, curves and round edges are all on trend, so this can really work into what's trending this year. Now, typically rentals have very basic lighting. These little lighting strips will help you create a custom lighting design in your home. I specifically got these for my closet so I can find clothes easier at night. My bedroom is pretty dim, so at night it is a little harder to find clothes in the closet, so I got these little lighting strips for that purpose. So these are totally chargeable, completely wireless, and they have an on setting, an off setting, and a motion detector setting. When it senses movement, the light will automatically go on. So these are perfect if you want to light your dark closet or light any shelving in your home and really make it look custom and high-end. You can also put these underneath your cabinets, underneath your fridge, so that if you walk by at night, you get some instant light. And they actually have either a magnet back that you can put on, or they have the peel and stick adhesive options. So you can stick this anywhere and get instant lighting. You can get these in warm light like this or cool light. I always recommend warm light because you really get more of a cozy look, but these are such an amazing find to really elevate the look of your home through lighting. It's all about creating the most comfortable space no matter where you live. Now that I have the Ring Alarm Pro installed in my home, it definitely creates peace of mind day and night, whether I'm at home or away. You can control everything through the Ring app, so you can set alarms and even get real-time notifications.
Someone is at the front door.
Do you need a hand with the lights?
Yeah, I could use a hand.
Okay, I'm coming right now. So if you're trying to upgrade your rental to really make it feel like home, start with security. You can learn more about Ring Alarm Pro at ring.com. Another little lighting trick that you absolutely need to know about, something that you can use in your rental or any home that you own, is this battery-powered light bulb. This turns on without being attached to any kind of electricity source. It is So genius. These are the perfect solution to lighting up those lamps that you can't plug into the walls. I have lamps in the middle of my living room that don't have any light source coming from them right now. Now I can actually light them up using this light bulb. So you can actually use this on the flashlight setting, or you can put it on the lamp setting, and that's gonna allow you to screw it into a lamp and turn that lamp on and off as normal. While the lamp's plugged in, this light bulb will be charging. So once it's attached to any kind of electricity source like that, it's gonna charge the battery. So if you ever have a power outage, your home will have a functioning light, and your security system and internet will stay running thanks to the Ring Alarm Pro. And if you wanted to ever install wall sconces in your home without hardwiring them, you can have a functioning light bulb using this light bulb. I have some wall sconces in my home that are just set up in a decorative way. They're not hardwired at all, and I just had a little puck light inside. But this is definitely an upgrade. I can screw this right into the wall sconce and have a functioning light. So if you want to add some decorative touches around your home with ceiling lights, pendant lights, wall sconces, lamps, but you don't want to do any hardwiring, you can get these light bulbs and make it look like a functioning working light. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can implement in your rental space. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these products do you absolutely need in your home. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Thanks again to Ring for sponsoring this video.